Hi everyone, this is Andy Nguyen, and today we're doing a quick little tech review video on a new product, or actually an old product, with a new release, the Jaybird Vista. I've talked about this product before, and I'll link the video up in the card somewhere on the top, so you can look at that video in case you need a full comparison between that one and one of its competitors. But today I'm going to be talking about a new colorway called Planetary Green. This new topographic camo pattern highlights the intersection between the technology that we have today and the natural world around us. And after the unboxing, I'll share my long-term review of the Jaybird Vista after using it as my daily driver for the last 5 months. Stay tuned. To get out of the way, I did receive this promo package direct from Jaybird to share this with you, but it does not affect my review in any way, shape, or form. I've already made my review, I'm just kind of sharing this news to you. Jaybird was not given the script, nor have they seen the video prior to it going live. To be honest with you, they just told me that there's a new colorway and it's called Planetary Green, and they described it as a topographic camo. I had no idea what it looked like, so I'm gonna share this unboxing experience with you all today. I did unbox it a little bit prior to making this video, but I just wanted to make sure that everything was in there in case something was missing. But let's get on with the unboxing. So it looks like this is the tube packaging. Let's pull it out. There's a water bottle. This green wrapping. All right, nothing else in there, so let's put that aside. All right, so there's this little packaging, this little rough material. So it says Planetary Green is a camouflage pattern created to celebrate the planet we love, the places we play, and the adventure inside all of us. Cool, and apparently this is seed paper, that's why it's all bumpy. You see the bumps here? And it looks like I can plant it with water and it'll become something. Doesn't say what though. So let's put that aside. So this bottle looks like it's from Mir. Looks like it's one of those vacuum sealed kind of insulating bottles. It has the Jaybird logo on it. It says earthproof. Looks like their new campaign is called earthproof. And there's the topographic camo right there. It's pretty cool. I'm a civil engineer, if you didn't know. I put that in my description, but I know you don't always click the about, but I work as a civil engineer full time. I see topo maps all the time, so this is cool. And the green and the black, they work really well together. It's very muted, very stealth. I like it a lot. And the handle allows me to hold it. You can hook it onto your backpack, and the wide mouth helps you refill it better. You can put ice in it. So let's see what's inside here. Oh. So it looks like there's some stuff inside. Let's try not to make a mess out of this. Let's see, we got looks like this is the cable and the extra earpieces. Ooh. And here are the Jaybirds themselves. That's the camo, that's a Planetary Green. Can you get closer? Pretty cool. This is definitely more military green than I was expecting, but if you are a green lover, it's a great little colorway. Let's see what else is in here before we unbox the rest of it. Some packaging for the Mir bottle. The Jaybird Vista Quick Start Guide. What is this? Looks like a notebook with more of that seed paper. On the back it says, plant this seed paper under 1/8 inch of soil, water thoroughly, place in a sunny corner, and keep moist during germination. So I'll probably get a surprise what these things are. I need to get some pots. Some more Mir packaging. So here it says that every Mir product includes a give code, which is connected to a giving project. We invite you to register the code on the base of your bottle to experience the story behind your purchase. Cool, so it looks like there's some philanthropic benefits of buying things from Mir. Pretty cool partnership. Got a pencil here. It says basil on it right here. After using your pencil, place it in moist soil at a 30-degree angle with only the seed capsule covered. So apparently this is a seed capsule. I thought it was an eraser. So cool. Looks like this becomes basil. So this pencil, once planted, becomes basil. So yeah, so the bottle is a vacuum insulated wide mouth 42-ounce bottle. There's one more thing in here. Looks like some safety use for the Jaybird. So this is what typically goes into the boxes for Jaybird. Pop this open. Ooh, so it's the same color as the case. This forest green, military forest green. So it's this, the Planetary green is very forest, kind of military green. Definitely a more masculine color, I would say. But if you're just a green lover, it's a great option. Let's open this up, see what's in here. So these are the large different earpieces, and these are the little nubs, the smaller ones. It comes with a standard cable. Unfortunately, this is not the Planetary green colorway, but it's just a cable. You're just gonna plug it into your computer or the wall, not really gonna bring it with you. Yeah, this is the Planetary green Jaybird Vista, and that's it for the unboxing. So you've probably already watched my prior review video, but I wanna read the official spec from Jaybird. And the Jaybird Vista is Jaybird's first true wireless headphone that meets the US military MIL-STD 810G rugged compliance standards. What this means that it passes shock, vibration, drop, and crush tests. Beyond this, it can also withstand tropical humidity, hurricane force water, and desert sandstorm conditions. Crazy, crazy specifications, and to be honest, most of you are not going to experience this, but it gives you peace of mind knowing that it can withstand all of this, so your day-to-day usage won't really break it down. Prior to getting these nicer headphones, I've always treated headphones as pretty disposable, especially when I was using these skull candies I was getting from school. $15, $20 over the last few months, and I just replaced it. These days on the market, there's some nicer options like these Jaybird Vistas that can withstand a lot more. The quality that drew me to the Jaybird Vista was the waterproofness and the sweatproofness, because I sweat a lot and that was actually damaging a lot of my cheaper wireless Bluetooth headphones. So in the last 5 months, this product has, not that one specifically, but this one, the regular Jaybird Vista, which is the same spec as the new Planetary green Jaybird Vista, has not missed a beat. It always works, even in the crowded Bluetooth environments. Even when it gets wet, I just rinse it off to clean it. I've had zero issues with it. So as we segue into the long-term review, these headphones have been my daily driver, and I've actually given up using my Apple AirPods as well as my Sony WH-1000 XM3s. I use it in the gym, I use it in the office, use it to make phone calls and listen to music. Either does them really well or good enough. So in terms of using them in the gym, even when using the earpiece with just a nub, it's actually pretty sturdy. It stays in my ear, no problem. Even when I'm sweating, even when I'm running, jumping, lifting, doing crazy stuff, doing pull-ups, doing other activities, biking, it stays in my ear. And that is something I can't say for every earbud on the market. One of the gripes I've had about using the Jaybird Vista in the gym was that because they're truly wireless, they stick out of your ear a little bit. So after my warm-up and I want to take off my sweater, I end up getting caught. So if I pull up my hoodie over my head, the Jaybird Vista gets pulled off. But that's true of any earbuds. It happens less so with corded earbuds because there's some components in the cord itself. But for truly wireless, everything is in the ear itself, so it just gets pulled off. All I do to remedy this is to just take off the earbuds, stick it in my pocket, take off my sweater, and then put it back in my ear. After that, it never leaves my ears at all. Never falls out, no issues with that at all. So just using it in the office, in the last 5 months, my boss has actually gotten used to having to tap me on the shoulder if he needs me. And that's because the passive noise isolation is so good that I can't actually hear him when he's calling my name. Especially now that the office has been renovated and it's open space everywhere, no cubicle walls. I can hear a lot of things that I probably don't want to hear when I'm trying to focus on my work. Having good passive noise isolation is great. The alternative has always been to use the Sony WH-1000 XM3s, but they are over ear, and although you can get the active noise cancellation to kill a lot of the background noise, they're over ear and they get hot on my head, and I don't like wearing them because getting sweaty feels really gross. With these earbuds, that's not an issue. So I definitely lean towards using these when I can, and I've actually left the Sony WH-1000 XM3 at home most of the time. In terms of letting go of my AirPods, I didn't like having AirPods to make phone calls and then the Jaybird Vista for everything else, so I just use my Jaybird Vista for everything. And for phone calls, it does a good enough job. In terms of music, it sounds good enough for me. Jaybird has been known for having good sound quality. There's an equalizer in the app, so you can really tune it toward your taste. And I still bump my head when I listen to music. I still rock out and have a good time. So in terms of sound quality, practically speaking, it's great and it works for me. And that's it for my unboxing and my long-term review of these headphones. Do I recommend them? That's an astounding yes for someone who is an athlete or works out pretty frequently. In terms of just purely office use, there are better options. Perhaps you would like an over-ear option or something with less on the ruggedness side and a little bit more on the sound quality side. Maybe foregoing the truly wireless if you're just going to stay in one place anyway. But for an athlete, for someone who's working out, who's running, who's outdoorsy, this is a great option and I highly recommend it. They're definitely unmatched in terms of the ruggedness, so you don't have to worry about your purchase becoming outdated. In the last 5 months that I've used it, it has not missed a beat. And do definitely get these headphones if you love green, because this green is a strong green. And I know a lot of people like personalizing their items. Having black everything or having white everything gets boring sometimes. So if you like green, this is a great way to personalize your earphones and express your uniqueness. And that'll be it for my video. Thank you for watching my unboxing and my long-term review of the Jaybird Vista. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of content. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you and have a nice day.